On today's edition of Your Home, Jeremy and Alicia from F&S Building Innovations are showing us just how much of a difference a sunroom can make to a beautiful home. So let's take a look and see all the work that they did.
Hi, I'm Jeremy and this is Alicia and we're with F&S Building, and welcome back to Your Home today. We are in Draper Valley Golf Course and we're going to let you look at an awesome custom addition that we did. Taking a concrete, a stoop basically, and converting it into a beautiful sunroom.
One of the key things for this home was they really wanted the space to flow. Didn't want it to feel like an add-on or something that was just tacked on after the fact. They wanted it to be something that when you walk into the room, it felt inherent to the original home. This home was a beautiful brick home, so we opened it up. We added some tongue and groove ceilings, a beautiful vault. All this natural light comes in through the glass. They've got sliding windows for breezes, transoms, custom glass at the top. As you can see, it just turned into a really beautiful space.
But more importantly, let's take a listen at what our customers are saying about how they're enjoying their custom room.
This room is everything. We call this our Zen-room. We come in and we have no TV, no internet. We close our French doors and we're able to sit and relax. And working with the company, we didn't know them, but it was a phenomenal experience because they did everything that they told us they would do. And that's what I like most about it. We could let them be here. We didn't have to worry about anything. They sat down with us and asked us what we wanted, and everything that we wanted has been put into this room. Our neighbors, our friends, the golfers, we get comments all the time about the beauty of the room and how it looks so pretty from the road, and we couldn't be happier.
And so there was other features of this project that we did for the house, and more importantly, they wanted this sunroom to tie into the house. Mr. Patton, tell us a little bit more about exactly what we did and how we did that.
Well, I thought the design was very creative, and we also asked you guys to go in and replace our roof, which was 20 years old, to do some extra work as far as our garage doors and our cupola and several things like that, and it just turned out wonderfully well. You guys took care of all the building permits and all the process. We had regular communications back and forth, so everybody knew where we were, and we addressed any issues that came up very promptly, and the process was very, very good.
Yeah.
We had a good time with these folks. We were able to do renderings initially so that they knew what the finished product would look like. That's always important when you're not exactly sure how your project's going to turn out. We worked with them to make sure that their homeowners association, they got approval for that. Obviously they live in a golf course where that can be a critical point. So no matter what type of project you're considering, whether it's a kitchen, a bath, a bedroom suite, basement remodel, sunroom, custom home, F&S can do it all.
I would highly recommend calling F&S and talking with them about your next project. We are talking about another project with them also.
If you'd like to see what F&S Building Innovations can do for you, you can give them a call at 540-985-9160 or visit them online, fs4seasons.com or FS4Seasons on Facebook.